The moment action camera fans have been waiting for has finally arrived. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is officially here, and it's making some bold promises that are hard to ignore. For months, the internet has been buzzing with leaks, rumors, and endless speculation. But now, the Hero 14 Black is ready to show us what it can really do. From cutting-edge 8K video capture and smarter stabilization, to longer battery life and seamless connectivity, this camera is set to raise the bar yet again. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this truly a groundbreaking leap forward? Or just another small step in the same direction? In today's video, we're breaking it all down, exploring its design, new features, real-world performance, and whether it still deserves its crown as the ultimate action camera of 2025. The Hero 14 Black builds on GoPro's rugged reputation, but introduces smart refinements. It's still waterproof without a case, but now the body is slimmer, sleeker, and better at managing heat, so you can film longer without overheating. The redesigned buttons offer a more tactile response, especially useful when you're wearing gloves or recording in wet environments. On the display side, the front screen feels smoother with a higher refresh rate, while the rear touchscreen is brighter and easier to see, even in harsh sunlight. These subtle yet powerful upgrades show GoPro's commitment to USABI lit. Where this camera truly shines is performance. Native 8K recording at 30 fps delivers cinematic visuals that rival pro-grade cameras, while 4K at 240 fps unlocks jaw-dropping slow motion perfect for sports, stunts, or adrenaline-filled action. A larger sensor dramatically improves low-light shots. It's giving you sharper results whether you're at a night concert, riding trails at dusk, or shooting indoors. And with Hyper-Smooth 7 stabilization, your footage stays buttery smooth even when racing down a mountain trail or skydiving at insane speeds beyond raw specs. GoPro has gone all in on smart creativity tools. AI-assisted framing keeps your subject perfectly centered, no matter how unpredictable the action. Advanced horizon leveling keeps your shots steady, even if you flip the camera upside down. Expanded cinematic presets give you polished footage instantly, while Quick Capture lets you start recording in your favorite settings with a single tap. These aren't just powerful features, they're time savers that let creators focus on the action, not the controls. Battery life has also taken a serious leap. With a higher capacity cell and better heat management, you now get close to 2.5 hours of 4,000 recording on a single charge. And with rapid USB-C charging, you can jump back to 80% in under 30 minutes. Perfect for those quick turnarounds between shoots. On the connectivity side, the Hero 14 Black brings Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. That means faster file transfers, smoother app integration, and improved cloud backups. The GoPro app itself is getting stronger too, with better editing tools, more reliable storage, and even the possibility of live 4K streaming. Sharing your adventures instantly has never been easier. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black doesn't feel like a minor upgrade. It's a significant step forward in design, performance, and creative freedom. Whether you're an adventurer, an athlete, a vlogger, or a content creator, this may be GoPro's most complete and powerful release yet. So what do you think? Do these upgrades feel like a true leap forward? Or is your current GoPro still enough for your needs? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic tech breakdowns right here on GadgetVerse.